Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove developer options on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, developer options add an additional layer of settings and features to the device settings menu. Okay, and then for users who don't require these advanced options, turning off developer options can simplify the user interface and make it less cluttered. And then how to remove it on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, please go to the settings menu on your device. Well, and then in this page, you can scroll down. Well, and then here you can select developer options. Well, and then you can switch off the feature by clicking this button. Okay, so now the developer options on your device is successfully switched off or removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to switch off developer options on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.